Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my plan with me for July 1st through July 7th, and I'm going to be using this planner cake kit, which is $148, and I am using the hourly personal sampler and the full boxes, and it's called 4th of July. So I'm going to start by laying my bottom washi, of course. And I hope everyone is having a great summer so far. My summer has officially started. My last day as I'm filming this was yesterday, which for you guys will be last week Thursday. I was so excited. I practically skipped with joy out to the parking lot because I was done. I'm just so ready to just rest, have fun with my son, and rest for the summer. I have 5 weeks off, and I'm going to enjoy every second, and I'm going to soak up every second. It's just going to be amazing. So this week should be pretty uneventful. It's the first week of our summer daycare schedule. So my son will be home with me on Mondays, Thursdays, and Fridays. And, excuse me, he'll be going to daycare on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So I don't know if you watched my plan with me from this week, which I have not done anything to this spread since I filmed the plan with me, of course. So my son had 2 ear infections a couple weeks ago, and we were on antibiotics, and it seemed like he was allergic to amoxicillin, which is a fairly common allergy. I guess I didn't know this. So, I wasn't worried about it at all. We went to urgent care, and the doctor said, yeah, his ears look great. Actually, I don't think he said his ears look great. His ears look fine. Like, we'll just take you off the amoxicillin, and it'll be, everything will be great. Well, so now it's been 2 weeks. Yeah. 2 weeks since I can't talk. It's been 2 weeks since it hasn't been 2 weeks. It's only been a week. So he'll have been off the amoxicillin for a week. I'm getting all confused. So it's been a week, and it has been, I can tell that the infection is coming back. So we had another doctor's appointment with our pediatrician on, this morning. So Friday morning, and she said, yep, the infection's back. Here's some different meds. So I'm hoping that will, finally be the cure that we have been waiting for. Because good gravy, he's been a big old bear all week. We were doing the sleep training, and he was doing really well at night. He was going like 8 hours in a row, which for my son is really good. But with this ear infection stuff, it's just been a deal. So, and I don't know if you can tell, but he gave me a cold. So I am fighting the same darn thing he's fighting. And so I'm really hoping that, like next week, this week I'm planning, we'll be able to finally be completely healed and on the mend and, you know, actually go like do things. I really want to like get into the habit of like doing, you know, like each day we go do something. So I don't know, it's going to be very interesting. So, okay, now that I've got my full boxes and my checklist down, I am putting all the checklists up top, probably for the month of July, until I go back to work, because my whole day will be, yeah, all in one. I'm not delineating between before work and after work. And I just put down my weekend banner. So on Monday, we are going to go to my work. I promised the ladies that I would bring him in, and oh, I got the wrong pen. I thought about using a black pen this week, but I think I'm going to stick with my blue. So this is a Papermate Inkjoy Gel in 0.5, and I had to put the washi on it so that my husband doesn't steal it. So then he knows that it's mine. So I'm bringing M to work. Put that on Monday. And then I'm going to leave the rest blank. I'm not entirely sure what we're doing. Tuesday, Wednesday. Let me look at my monthly view. So this Tuesday and this Wednesday, we don't actually have anything planned. So this Tuesday and Wednesday, we don't have anything planned, but my son will be going to daycare. So I have these small daycare labels. These are sheet S752, and so I'm just going to mark that. Use 2 navies. That he will be at daycare. And I'm going to use them on these basic labels. And then as for what I'm doing while he's at daycare, I'm not sure. Thursday is 4th of July, so I'm going to mark that with a half box as well. And I'm not entirely sure what we're doing on Thursday. I think my brother-in-law may be coming over, or we might be grilling with my in-laws or something to that extent. I'm not entirely sure. And then Friday, I have my son home, so we are going to go eat lunch with my husband at his work. And I'm not entirely sure how to mark that. So I'm going to take icon, and this is actually from last year's 4th of July kit. I bought the icons last year, but I just put them in with my extras. But I know that's where it's from. So I'm going to say lunch with M. So my husband and my son both have M names. I know. 12:30 p.m. So I'm going to put that kind of in the middle of the day. I don't think we're going to be doing much before then. I'm going to try to get my son on like more of a nap schedule. That is my goal for July. So here's hoping. And then Saturday, I'm not sure if my husband has overtime. I don't think he will because it's like a holiday weekend. So I'm not, let me look at my monthly again just to make sure. I don't think we have anything going on this weekend. No. I have a payday though on Friday. So I'm going to mark payday. I'm going to put it in a patterned quarter box. And I'm going to put it in the half or in the full box up here. I don't know, just for something different. So, yeah. I'm going to look at my sidebar. I think I'm going to pull a header. I've got a random sheet of headers. This is from her old format. She still had the old logo and stuff, but this is the November headers, and I don't think she carries this anymore, but I'm gonna pull this like medium blue, and I'm gonna say to do. I'm gonna put it over on the sidebar, and then I'm gonna pull the light blue, and I'm gonna do to go, and then the dark blue to call. So there. And I think that's gonna be it for the sidebar. I am gonna take, so I have some PK doodles. I'll show you which ones I have. So I have the coffee ones, the Friday ones, and she's got dollar bills, but I mean, this could be for anything. So I'm gonna just put her over on the payday side. And then I'm gonna also take a coffee one and put that one on Monday. Just for something a little different. She's so cute. Okay, and I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna use a quarter box on the full box and put my coffee girl in there, and I'm gonna write Coffee Monday. Okay. So I'm pretty sure that is it for this Plan With Me. Plan With Me's are going to be pretty short, I think, until I guess this is a different week because I don't really have that much going on. The week after this, I will have some more stuff going on. I have a lot of doctor's appointments coming up. So just a lot of little random bits and stuff. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. And as always, all of the links to the stickers that I used will be in the description box down below. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.